is Tridib and you are watching a brand new episode of Learn with Tridib. Well, in this particular episode, it is not much of learning. Rather, it is more like a pat on your own back and some level of beating your own drum. So recently, I was asked to participate in one of the biggest PowerPoint contest organized by the greatest one skill PowerPoint tutorials. Most of you guys who are dabbling with PowerPoints and doing lots of graphic design stuff, you must have heard about one skill tutorials because they are one of the best in the industry when it comes to PowerPoint tutorials. So in the recent last months, I was asked to participate in one of their latest contests, and I was so overwhelmed by seeing the amount of amazing PowerPoint presentations that has been presented by various artists, various graphic designers, various PowerPoint presenters around the globe. And I was thrilled when one skill actually appreciated my presentation and animation. So in this particular video, I will show you where he has appreciated my PowerPoint presentation, and I will also decode how I created that PowerPoint presentation. What is different in this particular PowerPoint presentation is that the PowerPoint presentation, such a big PowerPoint presentation was done in only one slide. So you need to have a strong hold of your PowerPoint presentation skill so that you can replicate your entire idea, your entire creativity in only just one slide. So what I had done, I had presented a cinematic camera movement totally done in PowerPoint. What it had multiple layers, more than 100 layers in the entire presentation. It also had different interactivity. There had been a nicely created waterfall that has that is the main showcase of the entire video. So the camera zooms in the entire scene and the waterfall falls with audio and audio special effects, as well as at the last screen I have used some bit of glass morphism to showcase some level of text. So it is a mix of traditional animation, camera movement, and some newly done things like glass morphism and text animation using morph transition that I have showcased in my presentation. So I will show you this presentation, but before that, kindly like, share and subscribe to this particular channel. And if you really like this video, kindly like, share and comment on this video. And let's get started and let's see what good words one skill has to say about my animation. Thank you so much for all those subscribers, all my followers in Instagram as well as in Learn with Tridib channel who has supported me in this contest and voted for my animation. Well, I didn't win the actual contest, but it was a special mention in the entire series of animations that people have done. Thank you so much guys for the live support, and I am thrilled to present you what I have done in the PowerPoint contest. So over to the movie.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're all doing wonderful. And today's the big day. In today's video I will announce the winners of our first PowerPoint contest. Before we get started, I want to say huge thanks to all of the participants. All of you have created wonderful works and I'm truly impressed by every one of you. I have counted 103 contest entries that were submitted in time, and I'm so happy that so many of you have participated. Now let's check out this awesome creation by Tridib Gosh, and I really like the look and feel of this animated illustration. I like the way you have used the different layers of this illustration and animated them and created this kind of zoom-in effect. That's really awesome. And at the end we have this glass morphic card as well. Well done.